Hi guys, so it's me, all know me, and I'm a girl, but I look different because I have Robux. So what we're going to do, I'm on green team and Ulysses is on white team, so let's go and join him. I fell apart. Why is there a rocket there? There's two rockets. Stop talking. Oh wait, no.
¿Cómo pudo confundir su tipo de
Man, let's take a modular boiler. What? Let's go! Hey, I can't see anything. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's your boat? That looks ugly. Mine's so small. That looks like an ugly boat over there. Hey! How rude of you. Let's go. Oh my god, look at that! Oh, what? Oh my gosh. Whoa. My boat's going so fast. Whoa. Whoa! Oh my god. Listen, I'm going to die. I exploded my head.
I'm still alive.
Oh
my god! It drove me up and I'm just dying.
That's what you get, you crasser, burla, German seller. I'm just kidding. Hey, let's just hurry up over there. What the heck? Oh gosh, Elise. No. You fell. What the heck are you? What are you doing? What the?
Let's go.
We're going. Let's make it around. Oh god, we look so weird right now. Whoa. I'm dying. Oh my god, I exploded. Oh my gosh, my head's going fast. It went through some of the rooms. Hi, Elisa. You're so annoying. Did you know that? Yeah, I bet. Let's go and...
Oh my gosh, please.
Oh my god.
¿Qué mal?
Ven conmigo.
¿Qué mal? ¿A dónde vamos?
Okay, goodbye.
¿A dónde
Elise says you're going to sail. You want me?
We're going black team. I'm gonna join black team.
Ya no tengo ninguna duda.
I'm joining Michael's team.
Todas mis preguntas se han ido.
Were they? He's not even playing.
Yes, he is.
See?
Join black team. Oh my god!
Okay, guys, when Michael's playing. Michael, if you're watching this video, hi! He's here playing, and you can watch this video if you want to. I can see your name right there. I mean, everyone can watch YouTube channels. That's what I mean. So let's go. Who is that? Whoa! Oh, wait, one. You know what? I'm just going to reset my character and, like, join black team. Yay! Michael, where are you? What kind of boat are you making there? That just looks weird. Because mine is this. You guys already know this.
Se enterraron bajo el concreto para...
Oh, it's okay, guys. I'm going to sail. I'm just kidding.
Esta fue una decisión demasiado...
Oh gosh, what happened there?
En mi opinión,
Guys, that looks like an ugly boat.
Eres muy cruel.
Are we going? Let's
Yo soy
go.
cruel, estoy hablando de ellos. No fueron valientes.
I'm not going. You guys fell over.
So what did it say?
Si hubieran sido valientes,
Good. Konnichiwa. Japanese. Okay, goodbye, guys. I'm saying goodbye to you.
Si no fueras tan valiente,
Chest. I'm going to open a chest up.
no sé cómo podríamos
I
hacer
can't.
como
Okay.
ahora. Además,
I don't need that
me
at
estás
all.
dando otra oportunidad.
Y además,
Let's get
porque
building.
ahora estás gestionando.
So mine's just going to be a block right here. I mean, like that,
La película ya terminó. Puedes ir a tu casa si tú quieres.
that.
No, que no.
What the heck was that I
Un poco
do?
dura y hay que digerirla.
I could die.
My life. Why does this keep happening? You know what? I'm just starting to get disappointed, guys. So.
Cada vez que te pones nervioso.
Okay, now we can put this in, and then like what the heck did I do? Let's delete this bow block.
Estás aquí.
So we're going to put a flag in the middle, and like put cannons. Oh no 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 no. So let's do like that,
Y entonces,
and like that. And what I'm gonna do is just put a rocket in the back, like that. No, not two rockets. Wait, that was the room. Like this. And I'm going to sit on top.
Me and Michael are done.
Wait, hold on, guys. I'm not done yet, you losers. I'm just kidding, you're not.
Román, esto es muy extraño. Siento como si estuvieras dentro
Okay.
de mí y aquí permanecieras.
Wait, not yet. Let's go. What the heck? I have a rocket too, you know. Oh gosh, I'm just spinning in circles. Well, guys, this is the end of my video. Goodbye.